Good morning, everyone. My name is Thangsing, the president of Karbi Student Association. Today, I would like to highlight the current situation that has been faced by the tribal population, those who has been resided in the border of Karbi and adjacent to Kaziranga National Park. Recently, the government of Assam has announced and approved the imposition of animal corridor and the imposition of eco-sensitive area in Kaziranga National Park in the bordering area of Karbi. Imposing this eco-sensitive area in the settlement area of tribal population is violated the human rights, because after announcing the eco-sensitive area of the concerned area, that village is going to evict by the government, which is against the human rights violation. The villagers, the tribal population who has been resided there for so many years, 60 to 70 years, they has been settled down there. They have built their permanent house. They have made their boundaries, and even they don't have destroy, even they don't have exploit the forest. Then how could the Assam government impose the eco-sensitive area of that area? And imposing the eco-sensitive area in that concerned bordering area of Karbi Anglong is violated the Forest Right Act. What the Forest Right Act says, everyone knows about the Forest Right Act. This is the rights given to the tribal population, those who have been settled in the forest area for many years. They have given several rights. After giving the several rights, after having the Forest Right Act 2006, how could the government violated this by evicted these innocent people of that concerned area? Many environmentalists, many retired forest officials has maybe think that habitat and settlement of that area could be affect the environment. But since I am the tribal boy, I know and everyone knows that the tribal population never exploit the environment